Hi, it's Dallas. Hi. And we're about to go to the sound check for Demi Lovato. And then we're going to meet and greet. Okay, bye. Demi!
Hi guys!
Hi!
Are you good?
Yeah?
Well, welcome to my sound check. This is my first sound check party.
Yeah!
And you have good care, that's awesome.
I love your dress.
Well, thank you. Yeah, I don't really like to wear jeans throughout the day because I can lay down and curl up in my dresses.
Is it hard working with your best friend?
No, it's not. It's like, it makes, hey, Robert, how's it going? Oh, you have a question? I'm ready. This guy over here, sorry, it's not hard working with my best friend, it's really fun. This guy over here invented, that's just working it over there, it's so cute.
Hey, we're in the line for the meet and greet. Yeah. Oh, hey. This is amazing. Ah, we just took a picture with Madison too. Madison, her sister. Yeah. Chill. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Oh, bye.